So here is Transnistria again. 4 pancerni i pies. And guests from Poland today.
Dzień
your
dobry!
impressions?
Dzień dobry.
Yeah.
Piękne jest Zadniestrze.
Zajebiste.
Do you think I can publish it when you say it like that? Okay, anyway, just keep going.
Okay. And Anton is the best tour guide.
Anton is the best.
Yeah, that's honest. And this tour is highly recommended by Vladimir Lenin himself. You check Wikipedia. Don't miss 9th May. There's gonna be a parade at the Central Square. And well, don't miss every day. Your trip will be really unforgettable. See you in Noland.
See you!
Do widzenia.
Bye bye.
Do widzenia!
Do widzenia.